everybody, welcome back to Mbambo's channel. If you're new, please subscribe at the end of this video, or now click it now and then watch the video. And if you're old, thank you for coming back. As usual, it's your girl Rosie, and I am reviewing, I'm especially excited about this one, the i7 Plus, the roomba robot. Like I said, it's my first time getting all this robot stuff, but I ordered this one and the the mopper one, the M6 Brava, one of them. But anyway, so this is this robot vacuum automatic dirt disposer. So I'm kind of excited about that. You can get the cheaper ones without the dirt. Let me see. Make sure point and replace. Oh, no. Wait, I'm gonna turn it the other way. Right there. You can get the cheaper ones without the dirt disposal. You can get it cheaper. So, but anyways, I am gonna unbox this because it might take us about 15 minutes for setup, unboxing and setup. But let's enjoy the video, and if it helps you, at the end of the video, like and subscribe, and you know the usual stuff. Woo! Okay, this time I'm gonna read the manuals. Oh, there's this one. That is big. Robot doesn't take over this world. That is big robot. This is the vacuum cleaner robot. The other one was a mop. This is how it maneuvers. And as usual, I'll keep it here because this still has the later manual. And warranty, your warranty. This is 2 owner's guide. This is in another language. So put this aside. What else do we have here? Nothing. Oh, probably replacement parts. Is it supposed to be 1 or 2? It's 1, so I guess it's supposed to be 2. No, it's supposed to be 1, I guess. Or maybe it's not even supposed to be there, but I'll leave it until I read the manuals. This is the filter thing. Does it have a filter already? Or is it just extra parts? But this I need. What is this? I guess this is the collection, the dirt collection pouch. But I'll keep it all aside. Hello, baby. This is the docking station. All right, let's do this gently in case I didn't like what I see. I can just gently package it and return it, which I doubt I would. All the things I bought and reviewed, I haven't really returned anyone, but I know by the time I get to use another one, then I'll see if I was cheated or not. But as usual, none of these videos are sponsored. Sponsors, where are you? I'm open to any review. None of them. I bought all this, or we bought all this ourselves. So this is the charging dock stroke dirt disposer. What it does is, from what I've seen so far, it cleans, and after cleaning, it comes up here and removes the dirt or recharge or something, and then continues. If not, we may have to manually, take off However, thinking I'll figure it out later. I don't know what I'm clicking and pressing. Yes, I don't know, but if not, it's that. Which in that case, I don't know if this is whatever. I'll read the manuals and continue. So now what happens when this part gets filled up? Oh, this is where it goes. This girl is a push gear. So this was just an extra. This was an extra. So this is where when it empties itself, it sucks the dirt in here. Anything else special here? Nothing. So this just slides in. That's all it does. That's all. And then you can empty this part. So these were extras, I guess. All those things I saw. They were just extra stuff. Doesn't mean the charger was extra. So this is extra and this is extra. Okay, I'll stop wasting our time. Now what next? Plug it up. Where is the charger thing? Oh, behind it. Okay, I would like to see where I can plug this up. Oh, this is an actual vacuum, so I can plug it up here. It can go over the rug. And the lights came on. Now for this part, what do we have to do? It says get ready. To start, you will need your rubber, charging dock, power cord. Set other accessories aside for later, which I did. So just that, and that. Position the charging cord, place the charger near an outlet in an area with good Wi-Fi coverage. Plug in the charging, I did. I know everybody can read, so let's wake up. Place your robot on the charging station by lining up the the metal part. After a few minutes, a sound will let you know it's awake. And then you can download the Irobot home app. And then you can start clean. That's it. So of course these two metals goes in here. Is it aligned? Okay, it's aligned. Okay, that was like 2 minutes. No, 1 minute-ish. Okay, as usual. Press the clean. So just press the clean to start. And you can press it to pause. And press it to resume. And hold it for 3 seconds to end the job. So let's just start it. Oh, okay. Okay, I can see you. I need to put some dirt somewhere, so okay. So it can actually show me. So I can see how it actually is. This is on the raw. So I guess you have to have some kind of why not we pause here and go try it. We need somewhere dirty. I need to put some dirt stuff there. So I'm going to pour some grain on the floor. It's a waste of food, I know, judge me not. But this is better to just see how this works. This is just cassava flakes. All right, let's see if it works as good as I said. Ooh, look at that! All right, Robbie, I see you. Where this thing is big, so it's going to finish the job in less than 2 seconds. I wanted to get a mop that goes under the vacuum that you can actually bend, vacuum stick. But I was like, why not just get the rubber and try it out, so it can go under the couch. Hey, I want you to do like the mop, go straight forward and back, straight and back. Alright, I'll go ahead and download the app. So what we see is that most of this stuff like to put it on from the left side, and then it cleans straight and back and goes towards the right. When you put it on the right side, it just goes over the piece. But I'm about to test. I'm about to check that theory out. So the little brush kind of splits it in. And then it goes under. So it goes from left to right. I need it to mop up these grains, this mess, right here, mister. So I noticed the brush kind of flaps some of the grains. You're still gonna clean it up, Robot. So the brush flaps some of the grains out. Yes, you can get it from this angle. I wish I had more colorful dirt. So you see, it splashes it around or something. And then it's not gonna come back here to pick it up. Hi, leave the rug, thank you. No need of the rug. The rug is clean enough. But look at that flying. It shows it doing what it's supposed to do. Look at that. I needed to clean this Gary. But anyway guys, that's how it works. I'm going to try to connect it to the Wi-Fi as usual. Download the Irobot map and choose, this is not the Brava. Then choose the roomba. What's up? Is it because I clicked? So roomba, what series is this? This is I series, not S. I don't know. To start, you need to get started, blah blah blah. Go to Wi-Fi and let me set this. So it says to look at that, clean. This is the i9 series ish. Press and hold the spot for 2 seconds. Where is the spot? 1 2. Now what do you want me to do? So I press the buttons, continue. What now? Connect this. So I have to go there. And where is it? It's not showing me the robot. Okay, Irobot.
You are now connected. Please return to the app to complete setup.
Okay. So return to the app. I'll give it some time. It did the same thing. This is probably my network though. So I came close to our internet port and it said establishing a cloud connection. This could take a few minutes. A cloud connection lets you control rubber while you're away from home. Alright. So I'll pause this video and oh okay, never mind. This is what the mopping one's supposed to do. Looks like has a software update available. I'll do that later. Learn the basics. Okay, fine. I'll learn it. The clean systematic. Okay. Roomba will avoid direct stares and that. Next. Roomba return home to recharge and pick up where it left off if the battery runs low. Awesome. When Roomba vacuum bin is full, it will fill the clean base empty. It will return to the clean base and empty it so you don't have to. All right. And that's it. And I clicked done. So rate it. I'm not going to rate it now. Later. So unable to start. Let's see. So it says it can vacuum everywhere or create a schedule or history. This just showed me what I've done so far. So I'm just going to do vacuum everywhere. Okay, where are you? I hear you beep.
Empty the bin.
So I checked the dust bin part. I know I had pressed something, so it snapped back on. Start speaking. So it keeps saying unable to start, empty the bins. So I'm just going to click here for this to snap out. It's probably what it cleaned earlier. And when you want to put it back, put the right part in first and then it snaps. Let's see. Ready to vacuum. So I click everywhere and it starts. Now I can resume, I can pause it. Oh, trying to pause it. How about send home? I don't know what send home is. How about the map? You're supposed to show me. We'll figure this out later. This video is getting so long. You can also schedule. I can create a schedule. Hey, I want you to clean once a day, 2 times a day, and all that stuff. Can I send it home? What does it mean by send home? Start here to start cleaning. All right. Anyway, everybody. So I'm able to control it on my phone. And you know, I paused it on the phone. I just paused it and resume. I could do this from anywhere as long as this robot is at home. Anywhere, at work, everywhere. So I really, now the kids are going to, I hope the kids won't be everywhere because of it. Getting it around and trying to catch up with it and all that stuff. But thank you everybody for watching. Oh, and don't forget, this is the i7. You probably have the other ones, but have a nice day. Thank you, Robbie. Bye.